Hi my dear viewers, welcome to our Filmora tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you some of the most advanced video editing techniques. So let's just get on. This is I have just imported a video, a small video what I did. Okay, and this is, as you know, this is we have our waves video. Okay, now I'm going to just drag this into our timeline and second this one too. Okay, right, so it's a little bit bigger, so I'm going to just shrink it here. Let's see what happens now. There's no change, right? So we are going to work something different here. So I'm going to just double click here in this one and I'm going to go to compositing here. So I'll just change this to screen. Okay, now let's see what happens.
Hi and welcome to my another video on you first need to change your heart and mind in order to avoid fear. Let me just start with it's a small story, but it is a beautiful story. Once there was a mouse.
These are some of the techniques where you can blend your videos, like just double click over here. You can screen many different options here. Whichever video you want to blend in, you have to put it in the first, and second is your video which needs to be blended in. So you have some of the different formats. Now if you put it in normal, nothing happens. So darken, you can see what is happening over here. This multiply, so this is like color burn or something. So you keep it over screen. Now let's see what happens. I'm going to just click here. I'm going to double click this and so here it goes. Now I'm going to click it and click this and make this normal. So both these play side by side. This area, even if you want, you can put some text or something for a different visualization effect, but for this normally you can see we'll be working like, make it here, and this should be like screen, and even the opacity of this can also be decreased. You can see how it comes, how your video is going to come. So it just works out here. I'm going to stop once again. Same thing, I'm going to work with the opacity of the waves also. You can see I don't want too much waves, right? So I think this is okay. Now let's play from here at least. Okay.
In order to avoid fear. Let me just start with it's a small story, but it is a beautiful story. Once there was a mouse who was very afraid of a cat. So he he just met a magician.
So this is how we really blend in the videos. You can just try more effects here, but right now I'm going to delete this. I'm going to show you another option too. So I'm going to delete this. Okay, so I'm going to keep this here. So now we are going to work with some other things right now. So first we'll go for, I'll go to media. So you can see this, there are some sample colors, right? So I'm going to just bring this black here. So I'm going to just drag it a little bit. So I think this is okay, this is better. Now I'm going to just put up some title. Watch what I'm doing here. So some title which is your favorite, so I'll take this. Okay, now I'm going to put it here and drag all the way right till here. So let's see what happens right now. So we'll just change this title here. I don't need lorem ipsum, so I'll just put it as life is beautiful. And I'm going to just select a different kind of font. So I think, okay, I'll just make it a little bit bigger. Oh god, it's too big. I'm sorry guys. I'll just keep it at 90. Okay, let us drag here. So I'll just keep it in the center. Okay, now I'm gonna just press OK. So I'm gonna just do it shows life is beautiful, right? So I'm gonna just stop it. Now watch me guys, there is an option here called as snapshot, right? I'm going to press this, so it's snapshotted, right? So okay, I don't want this. I don't know why did it come here. I think something's wrong. Then we'll try it again, right? Okay, I'll snapshot it, right? Okay, yes guys, now you got the snapshot, right? Now life is beautiful. Okay, I'm going to pause this, and I'm going to delete both of the files right now here. Just watch what I'm doing here. I'll go and keep this here. So this is going to be a picture in picture, so I'm going to put it above this. I'm going to just drag this all the way. I'll adjust this timeline here. So once again I'm going to drag this till here. So what we are going to do is we're going to click this. I'm going to double click this. So we're going to just, now did you watch what I did? You can use darken or multiply. Just watch how it plays, right? Okay guys, now look at how it is. You can create your own intro videos like this by actually merging two videos to your desired effect. You can work with various colors also and see what is happening over here. This you can put it as your YouTube intro video, or in my option, if you are a kind of blogger like me, why don't you make this as a GIF image and put it in the introduction, right? So I'm going to just press export here. I'm going to go to GIF. So you see it is like 10.7 MB. So we'll just press an export here. I hope so you understand what is the GIF image is. It is more or less like an image file. I'll show you how it is after we do it, right? So we are just converting it here. So we'll go and find the target here, how it is going to look. So you can see how it is. It's actually a GIF image. So you can use it even in your blog post or something like this if you want to attract your viewers. So this is some of the advanced effects of a video. You can use it by using Filmora Wondershare 9. Anyhow, thanks a lot guys for watching this tutorial.